that good? Hold on. Right there. Is that in the camera? Oh, okay. Alright, what's going on, guys? This is my bike check. Starting from the top, I got Colt Vans grips. I like them a lot. I'd recommend them to anyone who's looking for some grips. I got some homemade bar ends that I'll have a link in the description on how to make. They are awesome. Then I have just some Sunday bars. I believe they're 9-inch rise. I don't know. I got them from my friend. And that's all. That's sitting on a Sunday stem. Shout out to Lenny's for hooking me up with that. Lenny's Bike Shop. And I have a Fit Mac frame. I like it a lot. It's really strong. And I got just some stock Fit forks. And for my front tire, for my tires, I got United Indirect tires, which is on a Alienation plain black rim, which is laced to some unknown sealed male hub, which is alright. I mean, it does the job. And then moving on back, I got Odyssey PC. These are some dialed pedals. For the price, you can't really beat them. And then I just got some Fit cranks. You know, they nice, sturdy, they do the job. And then I have a Sunday knox sprocket. It's nice. I like it a lot. And then for my seat, I got a Macneil Chilling Spree pizza seat. It looks really sick. It's my favorite thing on my bike. And that's on a Haro seat post and a clamp. And then in the back, I also have another 2.35, I believe, United Indirect tire, which is on a Alienation felon rim, which is laced to another unknown hub, which came off of my Haro that will probably need to be replaced soon. And then I just got some Kink pegs and a Primo hub guard, which does its job, I guess. And yeah, here's another Kink peg. Nice. So yeah, that's my bike check. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. It's a really dialed bike. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.